Hey, what's going on? Steven here. I discovered this strategy at a time when the market was behaving completely unpredictably. While most traders were getting lost in the chaos, this setup kept delivering clean, calm, and consistent signals. And that's when I realized just how reliable it really is. In this video, I'll show you how exactly I set it up, what signals I look for, and how I avoid false entries. Stick around till the end and you'll see why this system became my main one. I'd really appreciate a like and a subscription. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our tools. I'm using classic candles with a 10-second time frame. Open the indicators tab and select ADX and Williams. ADX settings, GI length 10, style, disable the ADX line, set the remaining lines to width 2 and then click save. Williams settings, period 10, style, set the main line width to 2, keep the -20 and -80 levels, and then click save. Indicators are ready. If you're trading from your phone, set up everything the same way. You also have access to my account, live sessions, and copy trading that mirrors my moves automatically. I share 7 to 12 setups a day, explain how to avoid losses, and post strategies from my private collection. It's free, I don't manage anyone's capital, the group is small, lots of people want in, so message early if you want a spot. Let's start with the first opportunity of the day, expiration 1 minute, and I open a $38 sell trade. Now let me explain how this strategy works and what conditions matters the most. The first signal comes from ADX. When the turquoise line crosses the yellow one from top to bottom, it's an early sign that bullish momentum is fading and the market is shifting downward. This crossover is easy to read, movement slows, strength changes, and a new direction begins to form. The second confirmation comes from the Williams indicator. You can clearly see the turquoise line crossing the lower yellow line downward, reinforcing the overall signal. This shows that a bearish move is truly developing and downward pressure is increasing. When both conditions sync up, the picture becomes much clearer, the market shows coordinated weakness, and the structure looks consistent. Great start. I lock in $34 profit and keep watching the market. After a short pause, the next entry forms. Expiration 1 minute and I'm opening a $72 sell trade. Price approaches resistance once again and attempts to push upward, but the move quickly loses energy. Candles weaken, the rise looks hesitant, and the market clearly doesn't seem ready to continue higher. It's a calm, predictable picture. The structure shows fading buying strength. This type of scenario often completes a failed breakout and creates conditions for a reversal. Everything looks logical here, so the setup inspires confidence. Excellent, another $67 profit. Moving on. Another signal appears, expiration 1 minute, and I'm opening an $80 sell trade. I'm using this one intentionally to show you an example of a losing setup and explain why such trades matter. Right now, the market still holds its upward direction, and even a quick pullback doesn't change the bigger picture, so a loss here isn't a mistake. It's simply part of normal trading statistics. Every system includes occasional losses. These rare minus trades are built into the strategy and they're what make long-term consistency possible. Profit is created over a series of trades, not each individual entry, and this example shows why thinking in sequences is crucial. As expected, this one closes negative. Moving on to the next setup. The next opportunity looks much cleaner. With a 1 minute expiration, I open a $362 sell trade. Price begins forming a reversal and runs into a zone filled with active sellers, which immediately shows on the chart. The upward move starts losing strength, candles weaken, momentum slows, and the market clearly shows exhaustion. The reversal downward forms confidently and smoothly. The structure looks clean and controlled, as if the market naturally transitions into a new phase. Both indicators align as well. Their signals confirm a developing bearish move and strengthen the picture of shifting sentiment. Anyway, if you have any questions after watching this, feel free to message me directly on Telegram and I'll gladly help. Strong result, $333 profit. Continuing. Final entry of the day, timer 1 minute, and I opened $696 buy trade. Price bounces confidently off a support level and start forming a clear recovery. The move develops smoothly. Each new candle climbs slightly higher than the previous one, creating a neat, well-structured upward pattern. It's clear the market isn't just reacting, it's actually gaining strength and rebuilding upward momentum. This signal looks logical and stable with no noise or sudden spikes. Such calm, structured movement often indicates a steady upward continuation, and this setup looks very promising. Great finish. I lock in $640 profit. Balance climbs to $1,337. Let's wrap this session up. I'm satisfied with the session. The balance grew from $38 all the way to $1,337. If you have questions about the strategy or you want to dive deeper, message me on Telegram. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, for liking, and for subscribing. See you next time, and happy trading.